Hey guys, so this is really fucking wild and I wanted to share. I've been training a ChatGPT 4 model to basically give me stock market predictions. And I'm running it for Roku. I recently just did it for AMC. You guys can see up here in my last video. It's predicting a $5 price level, about maybe a 10-20% move up. I just did it for Roku because it looks like it is going to be going up as well. And this is more for people who would like to. I personally think that this would be more of a shares position or options like for longer term. But it's looking like it's has a predicted price level of $85 for Roku, which is pretty substantial move from here. It's pretty nice. That's actually pretty freaking dope. I'm gonna check the output of the code. I essentially been training this model for the last week or so since it came out. This is a new ChatGPT 4 Omni model that came out, and on Roku, this definitely looks like it's about to fucking go. And you guys know that I like to confirm with my indicators, right? Just to be a little bit more on the safer side. And you can see that we do have those Heiken Nishi candles like starting to form, right? And from the previous runs, right, you have these huge pushes, right? So you're looking at a 85% gain, 93% gain, and this is going for what? It's at an $85, right? $85. So it's looking for $85, the AI, right? So you're looking at a 40% gain on Roku, possibly. I personally think it's going to go a little bit higher, maybe to the 87 or 95 range, which would actually give you a little bit higher gain, possibly around like 85, like around here. So like a 44%, maybe even a 60% gain. My guess is possibly within the next month or two. So again, this would be more of a shares play in my opinion. But yeah, the ChatGPT is forecasting an $85 price level. And because we're running this on the weekly, I do want to say it's going to be maybe like a month out, maybe a little bit longer. But yeah, $85 is the target.